Now question number 9. In this question, it is given that the first term of a certain GP series is equal to 1. This is 1. And the sum of third and fifth terms is equal to 90. Now we have to find out the common ratio and the sum of 50 terms. Common ratio and the sum of 50 terms. This is an extra part. It is not given in the question. Only given to find out the common ratio here. And now since the first term is given as the first term A is equal to 1, it is given, and the common ratio is not given, so let the common ratio CR V R, say, and according to question it is given that the third term T3 plus T5 is equal to 90. And now putting T3 means A into, that is the common first term is 1 and common ratio R, A into R power 2 plus T5 means A into R power 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 90. That is R power 4 plus R square minus 90 is equal to 0. Now solving this equation, we can get the value of R, and clearly R power 4 plus if we factorize 90, we will get 10 into 9, 10 into R square minus 9R square, we get this is equal to R square plus R square minus 90 is equal to 0. Now taking R square common, we get R square plus 10 minus 9 into R square plus 10 is equal to 0. So we get R square plus 10 into R square minus 9 is equal to also 0. So this relation R square plus 10 is equal to 0 either, or R square is equal to 9, or R is equal to plus minus 3, and R square equal to minus 10, it is not possible. If we take R square equal to minus 10, R is equal to plus minus root under minus 10, it is an imaginary quantity, imaginary. It is not possible. So as we are dealing with the numbers of real numbers, so that is why the common ratio cannot be imaginary number. It might be a real number. So here R is equal to plus minus 3 is the only possibility of the common ratio. So we got already the common ratio. So this is our answer. So our answer is equal to this. Now the sum of first 50 terms, that is S50, when R is equal to 3, S50 is equal to 50 divided S50 is equal to first term into common ratio power 50 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, because here common ratio R is greater than 1, so we apply the formula here. So 3 power 50 minus 1 into half. So this is S50 when R is equal to plus 3, but when R is equal to minus 3, when R is equal to minus 3, S50 is equal to 50 divided, so first term into 3 minus 3 power 50 minus 1 whole divided by minus 3 minus 1. Okay. So after simplifying, we get 3 power 50 minus 1 here, that is minus of 1 by 4 into 3 power 50 minus 1, or minus, if we multiply by minus 1, we get here 1 minus 3 power 50. Okay, this is answer.